Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team. And on Saturday, we hit our first 90-degree day of the month of August here in Denver, and that gives us 32 for the season. Now, that we're really on pace to easily get the average, which is 46 by the end of the summer. Last year, we had 64. We're kind of in the ballpark for getting about 55 to 60 of these, so we may actually get a few less than we did last year, unless September ends up being a torch, but it looks like we will avoid a 90-degree day tomorrow. Here's the summary for the month of July. Now, it felt kind of hot for some of us, but believe it or not, it actually hit the 31-day average exactly right on the head, with 21 warmer than normal days and 10 below normal days. That averaged out to right on average for the month of July here in Denver. The forecast high temperatures for Sunday. Now, there will be a little bit of a cold front that comes through early in the morning, and that will dry out the air a little bit. So it's going to be pretty comfortable, and the temperatures may stay below 90 degrees. In fact, that is our forecast at the moment here in the Front Range. I kind of suspect that we may hit 90 just briefly here in Denver, but the most sense it makes here is that we're going to stay a couple of degrees below 90, so really comfortable day and pretty dry conditions. Out here on the western slope, it'll be another warmer and drier day. We'll take one break from the fire weather conditions, but the wind will kick back up on Monday, and the low humidity will also be back, as low as 4% humidity out there on the western slope on Monday. So there is a fire weather watch in place for all day Monday. The only reason why we don't have one on Sunday is because of the breeze, the gusts won't be up as quite as high as 30 miles per hour. As far as the severe thunderstorm risk on Sunday, there will be some ingredients for some 60 mile per hour wind gusts out here on the eastern plains, but there won't be too many storms to actually move into that area. So there is a chance we won't get any severe weather. Here is the forecast, even though we do have some ingredients out there on the eastern plains. Very isolated showers across the area, mostly contained to along the Front Range and Front Range foothills, maybe a few on the Continental Divide, but this is very low coverage, especially from what the 30% isolated that we've seen over the last 10 days. This is, you're gonna have to really get lucky to get a measurable rain on Sunday. And you see what the modeling shows us here out on the eastern plains for Sunday evening. Not too enthusiastic about storm coverage, but a few of these that do form may have some 60 mile per hour wind gusts underneath those. So that would be something to watch for on Sunday afternoon. But otherwise, really kind of a comfortable day here on Sunday, with temperatures maybe staying below 90 degrees. And then when we get through the rest of the week here, Monday we start to go up middle 90s, and then it looks like 4 days in the upper 90s. And this is also a very dry weather pattern, so very low rain chances Monday through Friday. Next weekend looks like we'll get our next storm system. At the moment, it looks like next Sunday. That's a look at your forecast. I hope you all have a real nice day.